Hey guys, what's going on? Today is October 3rd, 2023, and in the last video, I've been preparing you guys for this 1987 style of crash. I mentioned it multiple times in the last few audio messages, but in this video, we're actually going to walk you through some charts and should give you a better picture as far as charts concerns and patterns as far as what's about to take place. Now, needless to say, all the bulls that have been bulls over the course of the last few months, where the fuck are they? They're gone. We're going to start at the chart of Tokyo Exchange to show you that this is just the beginning. So Nikkei has been the greatest stock market over the course of this year. Even Warren Buffett took the time to fly down there and do some business, and a lot of people has followed him, and now they're fucked because there's nothing but clear multi-top formation in Japan. And the reason this is important, if you're trying to figure out what's going to happen in the market here in the United States, Tokyo chart right here is what we're looking at, has been sort of a leading indication of what happens next in the United States. And guys, it's not looking pretty. As a matter of fact, it's ugly as hell. Because if this level will be taken out, which I think there's 95% chance this level will be taken out over the course of the next few trading sessions here in Japan, you're going to see a sharp move to the downside on the 30K on Nikkei, which means, guys, I mean, this is an easy sharp drop here in the States. You're probably looking at a market under 4,000 in S&P. We're going to glance at that. But guys, this is such a strong top information with many divergences. You guys would have learned this divergence between RSI and price action, our charts divergences and pattern recognition course. If you are clueless how to trade the market in Tokyo, this will pay a lot of fucking money to somebody who knows how to trade this. So if you don't know how to trade this, that would be a reason for you to click the link below, take some of our recent courses we've recorded for you, and trade with a coach, because this is a gold mine right here. But to just review some of the other charts that will follow this chart, and this represents one of the greatest opportunities in the market right here, is shorting the Japanese market. But it also, again, is a leading indication of a much sharper drop in a lot of other markets. And for the first time, we don't have a market that is looking substantially better from the charts perspective, because pretty much every chart of every world market, for example, let's look at Germany, okay? Well, you're looking at a freaking top formation of a different kind. But it is a top information. So Germany is on the verge of breaking this blue line. Okay, any chart we're looking at, MACD is working its way lower, and it's not about to stop. As a matter of fact, we're at a point where MACD is about to accelerate to the downside. The distance between the orange and the blue line here is gonna get huge, and normally that happens when we have some sharp drop-offs. So Germany, clear top. Japan, clear top. Okay, some of the other things that we could be looking at. Okay, Hong Kong, which at one point had a nice bounce rate in early 23, but now it's been doing nothing but going lower. So this can have a huge sharp drop to the downside as well, maybe to a level of 15,000. Anything we look at, guys, I mean, the patterns are the same. They're either top information or it's a dead cat bounce, like you see in the case here in Hong Kong. Bounce 1, bounce 2. Every time this thing bounces above the blue line, it gets shut down. I mean, this is a solid downtrend. So you're probably a type of guy that trades stock options. So don't miss the next video, because I'm going to point out specifically which stock options are going to outperform. You know, I mean, some of these things, okay, they're going to fall off 20% as far as the major indexes. Some, I mean, again, we could have a day where we can fall off by 27%. The biggest daily drop in the US market was October 19th, 1987, and there's a good chance that we'll get it in the next 30 days. As a matter of fact, hey, we could have it on like October 13th. 13 Market Moves predicts 1987 style of crash on October 13th, which is like 10 days away. It may happen sooner, guys, but we could have a wild, wild move. All world indexes, they're pointing to the same thing. They're pointing that they are on the verge of a major, major drop. So get in touch with the 13 Market Moves coach today, guys. Don't miss this insane opportunity. Don't miss. I'm gonna record just a few short videos here. I'm gonna take a few minutes. Make sure you guys are not missing out on some killer trades. I'm seeing some stocks that are yet to drop 90% from current levels. So this is the best time to have. This is the best time to sharpen your skills on how to short stocks, how to buy put options, what strikes. All of these things are going to determine whether you're going to be able to put together a 20x trade or a 200x trade. And there's going to be some 200x trades that will be happening soon. So stay tuned, guys. Don't miss the next few videos. Call 13 Market Moves coach today. Short Japan today. Let's go.